Hello everyone and welcome to Indice Tech. My name is Akan and welcome to the Solidworks tutorial. Today we are going to be creating this design. We're going to be exploring a variety of commands like wizard, extrude cut, fillet, extrude, offset, extrude, reference plane, and a few other commands and features. The dimensions for this design can be seen on this drawing sheet. We are going to be using the dimensions on these sheets, and you can screenshot for reference. However, some dimensions are not really shown here, so it would be best for you to watch the video so you can follow up and see where these dimensions are being applied and how they are applied. So without wasting too much time, I'm going to create a new design by clicking on File, clicking on Path, and then selecting OK. I am going to create a sketch on the front plane, like so. Dimensions are in mm. So yeah, these are the dimensions. Just going to be certified, unless it's also a certificate. I'm going to create a fillet. (15 mm), and I'll select here and here for the fillet. I'll also select this part and this is our shape. Now I'm going to use surface extrude to it from the mid plane. And click on OK. And there we have it. A surface extrude that we can work with. Now I'm going to use the thicken command to thicken by 5 mm on both sides. So I click on this, it's to give only one side, so I click on here, so we thicken on both sides, and I click on OK. This is all we get. So I'm going to make this place normal too. I'm going to open a sketch on it. Click on corner rectangle. And I dimension this to be 14. Now I'm going to draw concentric circles. To look for the red point. I'll draw 3 concentric circles. 14 mm, 30 mm, and 20 mm. Then I'm going to use trim entities, trim out this part, that part, this part, and that part. Then I'm going to click on extrude, click on this, 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 and this 10 mm. I'm going to reverse the direction. And we can see. Okay. All right, let me edit it on this face. Okay. Mm-hmm. Well done. I get why this keeps happening. Okay. It should work now. Just the first two circles I want to are going to be highlighted. And yes, this is what we're looking for. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to those sketches. Or to that previous sketch. I'm going to make it a reference. Making this the reference sketch. I'm going to do another extrude. I will be extruding this face to 40 mm. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. I'll extrude this face to 50 mm. And I'm going to use the fillet tool to fillet these corners. Right, 10 mm. There we have it. our figure is coming to life. Okay, now I'm going to click on view temporary axes, and then I'm going to click on reference geometry. My first reference is going to be the front plane, and my second reference is going to be this line. Temporary axis, this line. And I'm going to rotate it by 45 degrees. Okay, let's make this a lucky 135. Very good. Okay. Now we have our plane. We're going to open a sketch on that plane. Now I'm going to click on the space bar to show the different view orientations. I'm going to click on this one. I see that our plane becomes aligned, and I'm ready to sketch on this surface easily now. So now I'm going to draw a corner rectangle. The dimensions of 18 by 16. Now I'm going to draw a circle. On the midplane. I'm going to delete this line. I want to draw another line from here to here. And from here to here at an angle of 135 degrees. You make sure that this point and this point are coincident. Okay, now I'm going to do a revolve. I'll click on Revolve Boss. the axis resolution is 'm going to draw a line right at the center of this new plane. So it's be easy for us to do our revolve. So I'm going to try this again. Revolve both space. I'm going to click on this. And this. Let's change it to mid plane. And the angle to 15. Okay, very good. Okay. So we see our design is coming to life. I'm going to click on the revolved feature again. Okay, hold. Make this one the reference sketch. Then I click on revolve. And I'm clicking on this face. I'm going to do it up to the. Now click on this one. And then there we have it. Revolve. Hold done. Okay. Okay then, so this is our revolved shape. Now I'm going to add fillets to these corners of the groove. 2 fillets here and here. I'm also going to create another fillet here, and here. However, these fillets are going to be 15 fillets. Now I'm going to create holes on these two faces. And I'm going to draw a hole draw a circle rather on this face. I'm going to open a sketch there. Dimension the circle to 20. I'm going to extrude it to 5. There we go. I want to use hole wizard to create a hole. The dimension of the hole is going to be 10 mm. End condition through all. And now for the position, it's going to be right there. I'm going to create another hole on this surface. Hole wizard. Diameter of this hole will be 12 mm. And the position is going to be here. There we go. That's it for this design. I can choose to add appearance. Because it is sprayed appearance, cover it with black spray paint. For the whole button. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.